Good morning, and this is the day 10 of Travel Tour Adventure, and this is the dwelling house stone and chimney. Take a look at that. Di ba ang ganda? Meron pang hot air balloon dun sa taas. Ang ganda, no? Different kinds of shape of the stone. From
look right now. Do you see there's a man-made wall over there? Can you see that man-made wall? And there are, to the right hand side of the man-made wall, there are small holes. Can you see those small holes? Next to those small holes are for people to go into the house and go out. And now, in this part, do you see the niches on this part of the wall? Imagine that this one is very near capacity now, because the facade of this house has been washed away. So what we see
they call a pigeon house, yung mga maliliit na butas doon. Yan. Diyan sila nangingitlog at nagpaparami. Some of the chimney or the dwelling house, meron pang nakatira. Yeah. Actually, yung mga pigeon, yung mga poops nila, yun ang kinokollect nila and para gawing fertilizer. Yung hindi nila kinakain or kinakata yung mga pigeon, yung mga poops lang kinokollect nila. Okay, once again, thank you for watching. This is Lance Leland for Day 10 Travel Tour Adventure, and this is Cappadocia dwelling stone house and the chimney episode. Good morning.